People read that the Toyota Land Cruiser rear spacers may cause vibration. In fact, high-quality Toyota Land Cruiser rear spacer will not cause any vibration. If there is no sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The fitness of the Toyota Land Cruiser rear spacers and the tightness of lug nut are the two first factors you should focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issues. Most wheel vibration problems are balanced on lug-centric Toyota Land Cruiser rear spacer. A lug-centric spacer means there is big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made larger to fit a variety of vehicles. Without a snug fit, these spacers are centered on the vehicle hubs only by the wheel stud. If you're using these cheap spacers, there is a high risk of wheel vibration. In this case, top-produced hub-centric Toyota Land Cruiser rear spacers will be the instant solution. As long as you use quality Toyota Land Cruiser rear spacer and install them properly, they are very safe and reliable. Since the wheel stud and lug nut use a clamping fork to secure the Toyota Land Cruiser rear spacers and wheels, if the stud or lug nut are not strong enough to support this process, they will likely be bent by road impact. The provided wheel stud of BONOSS Toyota Land Cruiser wheel spacer are made of high-strength forged SCM-0 alloy steel. They have achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. With high strength, your Toyota Land Cruiser rear spacer can bear more forces without breaking. Hub-centric Toyota Land Cruiser rear spacer keep the wheel centered and balanced on the vehicle hubs while driving. After the spacer and wheels are properly torqued, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the center bolt of the wheels to the hubs of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric Toyota Land Cruiser rear spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicles. This helps to prevent any kind of vibration issue. Besides, they are CNC machined with resistance at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since Toyota Land Cruiser rear spacers are components that can attach other parts, you absolutely need tight tolerance.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.